In Passover, we commemorate the national exodus from slavery in Egypt and the fact that we gain freedom and a special connection with God. Today, we celebrate second Passover that focuses on personal experience and the difficulty of remaining faithful to my connection and role in the world. It's strange because God creates me, my desire to stay connected, and the difficulty to do so. And the challenge is to see everything that bothers me as a lamp and a ramp that shows me the way and elevates my actions. For example, we are here in the Levinsky Market, named after the author who wrote the first Hebrew science fiction book 130 years ago. In his fantasy, he illustrates this desert becoming super modern country. Yet what's more shocking is that in his vision, he saw that one day everyone will speak Hebrew, a language that no one has spoken for 2,000 years, until some crazy people like Ben Yehuda and Levinsky, that the loss of the biblical language bother them, will take actions that changes national and global reality. Now, Levinsky would have been very proud of what I see and hear around me today, and the question is, are you ignoring it, or are you willing to make a personal exodus and recognize the fact that what bothers you is a ramp and a lamp that fulfill personal desire that can change the world? Shabbat Shalom, Erez, Israel.